Hey all. In this video, I'll show you where the iPhone stores all previously entered passwords from Wi-Fi networks, and you will also learn how to view the password, copy it, and share it with friends. If you're interested in learning how it's done, let's get started. On the iPhone, click on the settings icon. Here we select the Wi-Fi section, go to it. In the upper right corner we select the edit button. If a passcode was entered on the iPhone, enter it. In my case the face it was red. After that we get to the list of all previously connected Wi-Fi networks. From the proposed list of previously connected Wi-Fi networks, select the required one, to the right of it. Click on the icon in the form of a circle with the letter I. Then we find an item called passport and click on the password in the form of hidden dots. The password will become available with the ability to copy it and share it with friends. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Well, see you soon, bye.